Hi. Today I have a very cool and small padlock for you guys. It's a Burg Wächter. I don't know how to pronounce this one, but it's a dimple lock. It's very small and in the package, and it's premium something. This is not ball bearings, so probably this is hardened shackle, weather resistance. It can work on both sides probably. So it's like construction logging the lockers and construction boxes or boxes. It's 30 millimeters and something here, some more infos. And let's find the English. So solid brass body, special hardened shackle, double bolted, high-tech stainless steel interior. So yeah, it's made in Germany. No, it's Burg Wächter is Germany, but this one is made in China. So yeah, let's try to pick this one. I need to remove it from this packaging. Not that one. Where's the other one? I need a box opener, and I'll try to pick it. I have no idea what kind of picks I need to use, but I will try to somehow pick it out of the package, if that's even possible. So here it is. It's a very small one, and something on this side is Wächter Germany. It's not made in Germany, so it's very small padlock. And I even prepare, I don't know if you can hold it in my hand, I even prepare the, oh, here's the model number, 450/30, German engineering. Oh, come on. Boccia? I don't know what to say, how it's oh, here it is. It's a Boccia, I don't know how it's pronouncing that, how to pronounce that. So 450/30 SB. So let me check the key. Burg Wächter 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's a 5-pin lock, and very cool beading. Very long pin, 2 shorts long, and the last one is short. Oh, and on the top it's look like they're passive pins, or maybe there is no passive pins. I don't know, I cannot see. Let me check. This is the first time that I cannot see active pins on top, to be honest. I'm trying to see, but nope, I don't know, we'll see. It's my first time, so let me check the padlock. It's working, it's going on that. So I need to pick it, the pins are on that side. I will do it, I will try a couple of tension tools. Yes, and I will start with the left flag from multi-pick. So I want to show you a difference between first time picking some lock and second time picking some lock. So let me show you that difference. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, click, 3, and we are open. And that's the difference between when you figure it out what is inside and how you pick it, and the first time that you have no idea how to pick this one. So yeah, let's start picking. I don't know, I'm 1, nothing, 2, 3, 4, it's binding, but nothing, 5, nothing. So maybe this is going to be a bit interesting to pick, but I would like to have my vise here. I cannot hold it in my hand because this is very small. So let me move it like this. Let me try to put my tension tool here, and let's start again. I need to go on this side. So 1, nothing, 2, it's pointing. To click from 2, 3, nothing, 4, nothing, 5, click, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, click. There are no pins on top, as I can see, but I don't know if this pick it's good for this lock. I mean, if I can, let me put a heavy tension. 1, small click from 2, 3, nothing, 4, nothing, 5, small click from 5, 4, nothing, 3, nothing, 2, nothing, 1, nothing. So 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, nothing. And I think this pick is not good. So let me check my other picks. This is flat. 1. Heavy tension. Not even. This is how I struggle with a dimple. I think this is. Let me try a right flag, and I can try from this side. And the guide will be my tension tool. If I can make it. No pins on the other side. I'm trying to figure it out if I'm blocking some of the pins with my tension tool, but no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, nothing, 3. Let's try with not that heavy tension. I think I'm oversetting pins. It's very strange. Like, I'm checking the key, so short, long. Let me check if it's working. Yeah, it's working. So it's not. It's up to me. Something is not right. So again, now I need to go up and pick it from this side. So let me check again. 1, I can barely. 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, nothing, and 5. I cannot reach 5. Yes, I think now I pick pin number 5. Click from 1 small, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, nothing, 5, nothing. 1, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, nothing, 5, nothing. from 3, nothing from 4, nothing from 5, 4. Up, and we're open. It's a thing pin number 5 that was giving me problems, but in general it was like, this is my process. So it's without security pins, and I think it's struggling, but was with, where is that? It's trying to put it here like this. This was the thing that I was trying to do, and not oversetting the 2 and 4, I think. Yes, 2, it's pretty deep, and 4, no, it's 5 I did not touch. I picked 4, the 4th pin. So it was very interesting and different experience, to be honest. This is, I think, the first time picking out of the package the dimple, some dimple lock. But yeah, it was very interesting pick. I picked it, but it was a very intense picking, because I did not know how to figure. I did not know if I will be able to do it with not pre-selected pick and tangential. But it was a longer pick, I think. I don't know how many minutes I picked it, but that's usually my process. So it's a very interesting lock. This was Burg Wächter 450/30 millimeters picked. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.